What does it actually take to build a AAA game? It isn't just a great idea, amazing graphics, or a room full of talented developers working late. Behind every blockbuster sits a complex pipeline: design, engineering, art, testing, and optimization. How does a game travel from a whiteboard sketch into millions of players' hands? Let's find out. Welcome to ThinkGamerZ, where we explore the technology, engineering, artificial intelligence, and business behind modern gaming. This is the channel for how games really get made. If you want to know how games are truly built, tested, and scaled to reach players all over the whole world, then you are in exactly the right place today. Every game starts with an idea. But before real production begins, studios must turn that raw idea into something you can actually pick up and play. Teams define the mechanics, the player experience, the visual direction, the target platforms, the technology needs, and the full scope of the project ahead of them. Then comes a crucial stage, prototyping. A small, rough, playable build proves the core idea genuinely works, long before a studio commits heavy money and time. Once the direction is locked, full development begins. Engineers start building the systems that make everything actually run smoothly under the hood of the game. That means mechanics, physics, artificial intelligence, networking interfaces, backend services, and platform integrations, all wired together into one living, breathing, interactive machine. Studios use powerful engines like Unreal or Unity, and some of the biggest even build their own custom technology entirely from scratch to fit their exact vision. At AAA scale, engineering isn't only about making the game work, it's about making it run reliably and efficiently across every platform and piece of hardware. At the same time, a massive amount of content is created: characters, environments, animations, visual effects, user interfaces, and layer upon layer of rich audio. Every single asset must fit the artistic direction, and it must perform flawlessly inside the actual game engine, not just look pretty sitting in isolation. That's why artists, designers, and engineers work shoulder to shoulder. The goal isn't simply beautiful art, it's assets that are optimized, consistent, and truly production ready. Then comes one of the most critical stages of the entire process, and that is rigorous testing, because a game might run flawlessly on one machine yet completely fall apart on another. Studios test gameplay, compatibility, performance, compliance, multiplayer, progression, and countless other cases that players will never even see or think about while playing. Modern quality assurance is also getting far smarter. Teams now combine human testers with automation, deep analytics, and large-scale simulation across thousands of scenarios. Artificial intelligence assisted testing helps catch problems earlier and widen coverage, which matters more and more as games grow bigger and reach ever more platforms. Before launch, teams optimize the game for real-world conditions: performance, memory, loading times, network behavior, device compatibility, and strict platform certificate. This is the moment where every previous stage finally comes together. Design, engineering, art, and testing all collide into one polished, shippable experience. Even after launch, the work doesn't stop. Modern games are living products that keep growing, changing, and improving for years after their first release. Studios keep shipping updates, fresh content, patches, and live events. Development, art, testing, analytics, and optimization all continue long after the game goes live. This is exactly where external expertise becomes valuable, helping studios scale up quickly without slowing down or overloading their own core internal team. Specialized partners can plug into different stages of that lifetime. For example, teams such as IXE support studios right across this entire development journey. From development and co-development all the way to art production and quality assurance, the idea isn't to replace the studio, but to extend it wherever more capacity is genuinely needed. Extra expertise, extra capacity, or extra technology, exactly where it counts. That's increasingly how modern games actually get built, tested, and shipped today. Next time you play a AAA game, remember, what's on your screen is only the final layer of a massive technology and production ecosystem. At ThinkGamerZ, we'll keep exploring all of it, from artificial intelligence and development to testing, technology, and the fascinating business of modern gaming. If this was useful, subscribe and join us as we explore how gaming is built, tested, and evolving. ThinkGamerZ, play, build, evolve. See you next time.